My studio is literally and metaphorically not necessarily only this space, because I feel like I'm working or thinking or responding to things around me all the time, in here and outside. Hi, I'm Mehhta Bhupal and I'm an artist. So I moved to Hyderabad 11 years ago, and that's when I really started working on the constructed image. I think there were many different aspects that led me to the practice that I have today. I chose to use the medium of paper after trying and playing around with a lot of various mediums. Essentially, I see what colors are available, I'd start looking through magazines, seeing what is available, do the dimensions, and then kind of deconstruct everything I have to reconstruct. I find it a really interesting time to be part of this discourse, because everybody's consuming thousands of images a day, but you're just simply consuming them subconsciously or not necessarily looking at them or spending time with them. So I wouldn't say that I consciously set out to create a sustainable practice, but I do believe that it's something we all need to be conscious about. I began thinking about how we visit so many spaces and they're all very familiar, and that's how I began choosing the concept of the spaces that I begin to construct. We all live our life at a very fast pace, but there are always moments where you're in a very familiar environment and there's a sense of comfort because it's something you've done before, like gone to the movies or gone to the supermarket. So there's that sense of familiarity. And even though you're not necessarily physically alone, you still feel that sense of comfort and you still have private moments with yourself in a public space. I have to say that the studio is constantly evolving, and I think it kind of reflects where I am and at what stage of construction I'm at that point. Simply because whatever set I'm working on at that moment kind of takes over this space. It's the smaller moments that kind of add up together to form a larger picture, and that's kind of how the work also comes together, because I'm always constructing very small pieces at once. Even though I'm working towards one image, because I spend so much time on it, there are different elements that come into play, and it's the repetition of that that really allows it for all of it to come together.